Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme C33 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's start with the settings. Here we have to scroll until we will find the display. And now let's scroll down to find the night light. As you can see, it is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it is much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you prefer to use your device at night, or you just have the time, the free time at night, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So let's tap on it in order to customize. As you can see here, we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, by going to the right warmer. Here we've got the schedule option, so we can turn it on at custom time, where you can freely pick the start time and the end time. And we can also set it from sunset to sunrise, which is right here, and this so it means that your device automatically decides when the sunset and sunrise are, and it is probably location based, I believe, but let me pick none. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature. So let me show you how to have much faster access to it. Just unroll the top bar, and basically that's all you have to do is to find the night light and tap on it, and now you can turn it off, and after tapping on it you can turn it on again. So basically that's all. This is how to use the eye comfort mode in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.